Hey, I'm Travis, B&B Pitmaster, and today we're talking about getting real wood flavor from your gas grill using B&B Wood Chips. We're cooking on a gas grill, so to achieve that wood flavor, we're gonna use a smoke box, or I'm gonna show you how to build one out of aluminum foil. If you don't have a wood box, it's super easy to do the same thing and achieve smoke using just a piece of aluminum foil. With a handful of chips, spread it out evenly. Take your foil and you want to seal it up by folding the sides, just like that. Give it a shake to even them out, and then just take a steak knife and poke a couple holes in top. All that's left is placing your packet right on the heat diverters of your gas grill on the hot side. Then just move your grate back over, close the lid, and let it start smoking. If you're using a smoke box, all you do is fill it with chips, close the lid, and you actually set it right on top of the diverter. Leave it there until it starts smoking, then add your food. Today we got that real wood flavor using B&B chips on a gas grill and cook some chicken. Because remember, you can't spell barbecue without B&B.